guys! Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen. Today's recipe is Cascaron, a sticky rice coconut cookie. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. This recipe has been tweaked. It's now absolutely delicious. Here are the ingredients of today's recipe. Glutinous rice flour, coconut strips, coconut oil, vanilla extract, brown sugar, and coconut milk. There are 3 stages in making this recipe. First thing you have to do is make the dough. The second stage is to fry the cookie. The third stage is to make the topping. Now, let's start making the dough. First step is mix the vanilla extract and coconut milk together. Give it a stir. Now pour the coconut milk and vanilla extract mixture in a glutinous rice flour. Mix thoroughly. Smells nice already. At this point, start kneading them to form into a dough. Now we made the dough, just stir up a bit and then roll into a ball. Now the ball shape made, flatten with the use of the palm of your hands to shape into a cookie. And now repeat the process and finish the whole dough. This amount of dough makes 6 cookies. Now we can start frying them. Now the coconut oil is hot. We can now start frying the cookie. Fry them on a low heat. We have to cover it to stop yourself from burning. As you can hear, the cookies started to pop. It can be dangerous. After 2 minutes, turn them over. Nice, lovely, and golden brown. And fry for 2 minutes and then remove from the pan and place on a kitchen towel to dry off excess oil. Now we're gonna make the sauce. In a preheated pan, just add the coconut milk, add the sugar, mix it up and bring it to boil. Give it a good stir and bring it to boil. Now the coconut milk is boiling. Just keep stirring until it turns caramelized. Now it starts getting sticky. Just add the coconut strips. Continue stirring. After 3 minutes, the sauce is now ready. Just turn off the heat. While the sauce is hot, just drizzle the top of the cookie. About a teaspoonful each. Now, add the remaining sauce just to finish off. Now let it cool down. Now it's cooled down, just pop in the fridge for an hour or two and enjoy with coffee later on. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Please subscribe to our channel. More recipe to follow. Thanks for watching. See you soon.